just waking up and tuning in, we have a much different tropical storm sitting just off our coastline. The core and what appears to be some type of eye feature developing on the Key West radar is about 105 miles away here from Fort Myers. So let's get you to the radar. We're going to pull it full. We're going to walk you through what's going on here this morning because we have heavy rain all along the coastline. And after seeing a little bit of a break here early, you're starting to see those oranges and yellows right along the coastline, and that movement is inland. So let's give you a little closer look here at I-75 from Marco Island, Naples, all the way up the coast. You can see right there along the county line, the heavy rain moving in from Bonita Springs. It will move across 41 and I-75, and it's just a matter of about a half hour to 45 minutes before it hits areas along Whiskey Creek and McGregor, and also towards downtown Fort Myers. This heavy rain is impacting Captiva and Sanibel, so if you're making your way from the island over towards Summerlin, it's going to be a slow go of it as well. And after an extremely wet start in parts of the Cape and Pine Island this morning, the rain beginning to pick back up as well. And you can see that rain already impacting area there along Gulf Coast Estates, and will push towards Babcock Ranch and all the way up towards Port Charlotte. So Charlotte County has canceled school this morning, and you can see the moderate to heavy rain showers filling in there anywhere from Inglewood and Sarasota County all the way over towards Northport. So everyone is going to continue to see the heavy rain. Now this morning, because of the rain and the rainfall we picked up on Monday, we are under a flash flood watch through Friday afternoon. This will continue to be perhaps the biggest threat for all of Southwest Florida here today. The Storms Prediction Center has also issued a statement saying that there is about a 40% chance of the necessity of a tornado watch box for Southwest Florida as we're watching the rotation begin to pick up a little bit as well. This is going to be more of a rain event than it will be a wind event. The winds are 15 miles per hour roughly across the board, a little higher in Naples at 21, and we will see a gust of tropical storm strength later on today, especially as the storm continues to move a little to the north. It is forecast to strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane later on today. Here's what it looks like on the latest IR satellite, and anytime you have that deep red, that are those cold cloud tops. And what we're seeing over the past hour or two is actually the storm beginning to warm. So perhaps this is a sign of it weakening as it's moving off to the north. Of course, we will take that anytime we can get a tropical storm weakening as it gets close to the state. The spread here of the showers and thunderstorms are well off to the north and continues to pull rain bands even on the east coast. And we have a little while to go before all this moisture is dragged through. Here's what it looks like on the forecast track, a Category 1 storm forecast by the National Hurricane Center this afternoon. And this is a really good example of why you can't use the forecast cone. It is not an impact graphic. It just tracks the center. So even though this is forecast to be north of I-4 in Tampa later on Thursday, we are still going to see the impacts in that wet weather right here in Southwest Florida. So tropical storm warnings continue here today. It will eventually begin to weaken as it moves inland north of I-4, and then by Friday we'll see a few isolated showers around, and then a mixture of sun and clouds as we go throughout the weekend. And then there's a cold front on the horizon Monday into Tuesday.
All right, Trent.